Hi students, today we are going to be talking about habitats and we're going to continue with habitats. We're going to talk about terrestrial, let's say that again, terrestrial or land animal. Terrestrial habitat. A terrestrial habitat is a land habitat that is a home for living things on land. Terrestrial means of the earth or land. Let's say that again. So when we hear the word terrestrial, we know it means of the earth or land. Terrestrial, a terrestrial animal is an animal that lives on land. I have some examples here: cat, horse, elephant, and snake. All of those animals live on land. Types of terrestrial habitats. There are four major types of terrestrial habitats. That's forests, deserts, mountains, and grasslands. Now the picture on the side only has three. That's desert. So what animals would you find in desert? I think you would find a camel in the desert. What animal do you think you'll find in the mountains? Hmm. I think you would find a tiger in the mountains. What animals do you think you'll get in a grassland? I think you will find deer in the grassland. There are also some man-made terrestrial habitats, such as zoos, farms, and protected parks. Now, those are man-made, meaning that we, man, or the adults, made them to to help us or the animals. Characteristics of terrestrial animals. They live on land, they crawl, walk, fly, and run, and they have lungs. Now let's look at some terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals can be domestic animals. So we have domestic animals, mean animals that are around humans all the time. So we have chickens, a cat, a rabbit, a cow, a duck, a goat, a dog, horse, sheep. We have some wild animals like kangaroos, monkeys, snakes, zebras, pandas, hippos, gorilla, giraffe, and a tiger and a lion. And we also have insects. So we have bees, butterflies, ladybugs, dragonflies, moths, grasshoppers. So when you look outside on the land, you'll be able to see domestic animals and insects. If you go to the zoo, you'll be able to see wild animals. Let's talk about some local terrestrial animals. Now, you may or may not have seen these, but these are some of the animals that live in Trinidad and Tobago. So we have a brook there, so that they in Trinidad and Tobago aren't as big as the other places. They are pretty small. We have a queen. A queen is a wild pig with a lap. We have a agouti, and we have ocelot. Ocelot is a wild cat. So these are some of the animals we have in Trinidad and Tobago. That's the end of our presentation. Let's go back for a bit. So we said terrestrial animals are animals that live on land, and terrestrial habitats are forests, deserts, mountains, and grassland. And we have some man-made ones: farms, zoos, and protected parks. Terrestrial animals, for one, live on land. They can crawl, walk, fly, and run. Some are able to do all, some are able to do some, and they have young. They have lungs. Let me say, here are some examples. You have domestic animals, as animals that are usually around humans. You have wild animals, and we have insects. We have our local animals, and that's it for today. So we know a terrestrial habitat is a habitat on land, and terrestrial animals are animals that live on the land. Thank you. Bye.